What's going on, guys? It's Derek here with another post on my channel, Dale Grass Production. Why are you guys all running away from the camera?
Sorry, I gotta go.
Oh, yeah, you gotta go. Look at him just run. And it's his car that he's fixing. He's gonna be back, because I ain't gonna be here. I'm actually skipping out. It's my little one's birthday today. Oh, she's hiding. Little one's birthday. I got all the kids here, kind of thing. Just chilling out. Yeah, my brother's got a special surprise for you guys. I think it's kind of special, and it's actually unique. He's got a big job to do. I'll let him explain, but he's gonna be changing the sound. Oh, look at this guy riding in on his bike. Did you make it back?
Yeah,
look at that, on his back, saddlebag and all. Alright guys, he's got a pretty big job. I'll tell you a little bit, but I was gonna let him tell you. He did get a header, an aftermarket header. I'll let him explain which brand and all that kind of stuff it is, but that's why the car's up. He's gonna be doing everything. Bro, did you not aim that right?
The kids. The kids help me, man.
Alright, well, like I was saying, he's gonna be doing a big job. It is a header job, but he has to do a lot of work. I'm going to my kid's little like barbecue, and I'll be back by the time he's not done, because I know he ain't gonna be done. I have to weld for him anyway, so he ain't gonna be done. But yeah, he's gonna be doing all this. I'm just gonna let him explain what he's gonna do after. While he's working, he'll explain, just so he's not like making you guys wait on the whole clip, because that's gonna be a long job. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like stock, because I know he can do that too. But stock, you guys can see the header, you know, everybody's got that. And then oh wow, you guys are dirty. What do we got, man? Do you still got that other one out?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Stock. We don't tell him the name yet, but we'll just show him.
Here's the downpipe.
There's your downpipe.
And there's your header.
Cover that, yeah. And then here's his 4-into-1 header, racing pipe, you know, and his racing cat. So it does have a cat. It's not illegal. So yeah, cough cough. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna get this over to my brother. I'm gonna be heading out soon, and I'll hope to see you guys at the end of this video. So I'm gonna be the one editing it.
What's going on, guys? So, as you previously seen, we are changing the header on the Mazda3 here, non-turboed. I'm at the point where I've taken the heat shield apart, and there's just 2 bolts pretty much holding it on. Those 2 down here, 1 here, and 1 over here. They're already rotted. So, O2 sensors are disconnected. So,
Where's your kids, man?
this is as far as I'm at right now. And I'll get back to you when it's coming out. Just took it back out.
So guys, I haven't left yet, but I'm ready to leave, and sure enough, my brother's in here, cracking down on it.
Last bolt.
Last bolt, he said, right there. Pretty much. And then here comes the stock one. While this comes up. O2 sensor gonna try grabbing it for sure. On that upper hose there, that O2. And that is the O2, right?
Goes down.
Maybe it go down.
Go down? You'd have to pull it
Oh, there's a big bracket underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to go down?
I think so.
Alright, well, it was coming out, but it's off, so I'm pretty sure the next
You gotta
clip.
rip in this wire too, right?
That's his wire for his thing. Like I was saying, he got it out, it's pretty much off. Just gotta either lower it or take it out from the top, so.
Okay, guys. Coming down to the final stretch here. Done a lot of work. Got myself into a couple little problems here and there, but something I couldn't get around. But here, I'll give you guys a look. Ooh. How sweet that looks. See? So we got the 4-into-1. I'll give you a shot underneath. I still have to do the welding for the clamp. Goes right up in there. just gotta weld right there. Torque down everything else. Had a little problem right underneath here. There's your brake lines. Somebody ended up actually cutting one with the sawzall because we had to take the flex pipe off the factory header in order to get it out through the top of the motor. There's a little wiggle, but we got her out like that. But I will get back as soon as everything's all tightened up, welded, and give you guys a fresh cold start. Okay guys, it's the moment of truth. Everything's done. It's tightened, welded. She looks fine. See? Looks beautiful. Everything good. See the bolts down there. Everything good. Let me get this off. See? I never did say what name brand of header it was, but I'm not too sure if you guys can read that. That's an OBX racing header with the OBX racing fuel rail. I stole my brother emblem from an extra grill I seen kicking around. But I guess we'll go do a start, see how it is. Like I said, it's done. It's louder. All we need to do now is get that tune from DR Tune, located down in the States somewhere. I'll be hitting them up shortly though. And yeah, the car is fully done. Stage 3 clutch. After we get the tune put in, we'll probably have to put the 440 injectors. I got them put away in a box right now. So everything's coming along good now. Slowly but surely. It's the first and only Mazda3 non-turboed I've seen built. But check us out. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and yeah. check it out. Peace.
Alright guys, well, RIPs to the neighbors and anybody that's sleeping right now, but
Sorry.
what do we get to finish today, or tonight, by the looks of tonight?
We got to fix the O2 extensions and the brake lines that we cut.
By accident, for trying to be not slick, we're just trying to do a good job, you know? Shit happens. We got it done 4 days after we installed the header, or Brian installed the header. I wasn't a part of it. You see the video when I post it. This is just an extra clip of the video because we're finally done. It's done. The car's gonna be starting in like, I don't know, maybe less than 10 seconds, but like I said, RIP neighbors. Alright, go give her. Can't lie, that first initial vroom was pretty freaking loud. He's gonna have to back this up. Is it? Try to go on this way. Oh god. Nobody can see me, but this guy's got no thoughts right now, yo. That was dumb. That was obnoxious. He's got it. Too bad you guys won't be able to see us though. It is obnoxious, but you just
gotta let it drive with it.
yeah, that's all.
Control it.
You're gonna get a lot of that. I don't know if that's a compliment or here. Mighty, I do have a kickback for you. I found it.
You do?
Did it stop at a red light? Did it stop just like do a dead stop for a second? I hear your car idle. Oh, okay. Off idle. Come on down, man.
Westwood's open.
It's not even getting on it.
It's not even me to. I'm just tapping it. Get off these work boots.
Yeah, I know. There's the cobbles. That was only like what, 5,000? Not even. All right, so I'm just walking across this sketch parking lot, middle of nowhere. Got teas, Tim Hortons. Brian's gonna come around. I'm gonna see if I can make it. Hustle, hustle. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Hustle, Derek. Hustle, don't spill the teas. Hustle. Damn, boys and girls, that was some loud ass shit. You can smell it too. Oh, bro. Oh, God. Bro. That was fucking loud, bro. Okay, I think we're good for the night.